Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a very exciting video for me. I got sent my first product, so that is exciting. Yes, I am going to review these lashes, and the thought of having these kinds of lashes is so cool. I've seen it everywhere, but I just never got around to actually trying them out. So the idea behind this is the magnetic instead of the glue. Did not make sense, but yeah, I did receive these lashes and they are magnetic. So I've never tried on magnetic lashes, so I'm actually really excited to try this. I know and I've heard that it is really hard to put it on. So yeah, we're just gonna see how to apply them. So this is my first time actually seeing, like, I've never even taken it out of the box. So like, this is the first time I'm gonna try to attempt to do it, and I'm going to try and teach you guys. So this will be a how to apply and my review on it. So yes, lashes are actually from bellachloe.com. They do have a few different things on their website. I will link their website down below, and I also have a discount code for you guys, and it is BASHAK, so my name, B-A-S-A-K. BASHAK10 is the discount code. I will link it down below as well for you guys. So yes, you got 10% discount on these lashes if you want to purchase them. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's get straight into it. So this is the box, and it says tester up there, assuming because I am testing it out, and it says wake up and makeup. So this is actually what the line's called, wake up and makeup, and I did say that they are bringing in makeup as well in their launch. So yes, this is basically what it looks like inside. I've got two pairs, so this is the first pair. It does say on each one where it actually applies, so there's left, right, bottom, top. So they do have all that information on there as well for you. They do give you this magnetic lash little instruction little thing that they have, and it just tells you basically what to do. And also they do give you a lash applier as well. Firstly, I am actually going to curl my lashes. I'm also going to zoom you up so you can see a bit more better. I've got the lash, the top part of it, so I've got the top left at the moment. So this is my left side, this is my right side. So my left, my top left. So basically what you do is you put it on the front, the top, you apply it how you would usually, okay. So like that. So this says bottom left. So let's go in like that. Oh! That was so weird, it just connected straight away. That was so weird. Okay, this is really easy. Well, it looks it right now, so let's see how long it lasts. And then we'll do the bottom, the middle. That went on again. I'm gonna push that one. And now I'm just gonna make sure that all these are actually secured in. So I'm gonna go in with the natural one as well, and I don't know if you can notice, but on the natural one you can actually see the magnetic ones much more than this one. So let's see how it's gonna go. So yes, this is what they look like. This is the lashes. This is the natural look, which I'm loving. I would go for this. And this is more of the dramatic side of it. So this is what it looks like. I know I am wearing two different pairs, but I just wanted to show you the difference in the two pairs. And honestly, this is actually so easy. I thought I was going to struggle a lot. I did not watch any YouTube videos or nothing on it. I just wanted to do it to myself and see how it worked. But it is super easy to apply. So comfortable. Yes guys, don't forget that I do have a coupon code, 10% off, so it's BASHAK BASAK, and 10. So that is the discount code. I will link it down below as well. I will link the website down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to apply fake lashes and my first review on it. So yeah, I will see you in my next video, and yeah, bye!